and self-review of everybody. You will get the link of the peer review, self-review online form by today evening or tomorrow. So today you have to note down on a piece of paper whatever evaluation you are going to do of your slot, and tomorrow you submit those things there. Okay, so I hope with this, shall I invite the first presenter of the day? I think Amit is ready. Yes, Amit.
Yes, sir.
Amit is ready. Okay, so then you can start your presentation.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. In paper number 13, the new literature paper, I choose the Manipian satire on one night at the call center. So, how Manipian satire used in this novel of Chetan Bhagat that I present here in this my PPT. And what is the Manipian satire that also I discuss in this PPT. So let's start to see what is the Manipial satire and how that used in this book. And also I give one example of the literature of how Manipial satire used in the literature. Yeah. That also I make one example in this PPT. So let's we start. First of all, we see the introduction about the book One Night at the Call Center. One Night at the Call Center's writer Chetan Bhagat. So Chetan Bhagat is an Indian author, screenwriter, and speaker. He was born on 22 April 1974. Chetan Bhagat is one of the most popular authors in the fiction category in recent times in India. So in nowadays we know about that Chetan Bhagat is a very popular writer in also in youth generation, because of we see in his book that type of genre we see in his books. So these are his famous books: the 5 Point Someone, Two Tats, Three Mistakes of My Life, What Young India Wants, Revolution 2020, and Half Girlfriends. So these are the popular books of Chetan Bhagat. So now we see the introduction of the novel. One Night at the Call Center. So that book written also in this book we see the one night. This book is written in all one night. And this story is about 6 call center employees, that all 6 agents going through the worst night of their lives until a call from a God not only save their futures but their lives as well. This this novel setting also we see in the movie Hello, directed by Atul Agnihotri. So let's we see our topic. What is Manipial satire? Then we also seen that used in One Night at the Call Center. So what Manipial satire means? A form of satire usually in prose, which has a length and structure similar to a novel and is characterized by attaching mental attitude rather than specific individuals or entities. So this type of satire used in comic novels and that type. Most of satire used in comedy, but this Manipial satire used in comic elements in the novels. Then origin of Manipian satire. What is the origin? The history of that Manipian satire. Manipian satire derives from the philosopher Manippus, 3rd century, but it was identified as a specific genre by the Roman satirist Varro, an older contemporary of Horace, whose works exist only in fragmentary form. So that manichaeal satire we see in Alkine Bhaktin theory that we seen the manichaeal satire. It was imitated by Greek and Latin writers and influenced the development of Latin satire. So these are the characteristics of manichaeal satire. So which type of characteristics of that satire that I also write here. So first, purpose of testing philosophical truth, especially through the manipulation of perspective of the any book, more comic than a Socratic dialogue. So this type of satire used in more comic. We all know about that satire also used in comedy. So this type of most of used in serious type of novel, and also one characteristic is free from history, realism, and legend, and hence fantastic, and other create extraordinary situations. Then it mixed the fantastic, symbolic, quasi-religious with crude slum naturalism, full of contradictory behavior and characters. Form of satire usually in prose. So this type of satire we also seen in the prose terms. Length and structure similar to a novel, and manichaeal satire is a serio-comic genre. So this type of satire we see in the serio-comic genre. So most of manichaeal satires targets the mental attitudes and viewpoints of the viewpoints worldview, not a specific individuals. So let's we see the manichaeal satire used in One Night at the Call Center by Chetan Bhagat novel. So in this book we see some characteristic of the manichaeal satire, like the novel present the current situation of the society. Chetan Bhagat show the real situation of the people, and Chetan Bhagat also critics on the society. That's also we reflect in the book. So that is also comic satire. A comic stereotype satire. In the novel, we find that characters suffer from the problems in their life that we see in ahead. So, so in the novel, Bhagat represents the idea of bossism. So in the novel, we see that satire, that how bossism is reflected in the novel and also in the current situation. And God making a call marriage of two different characters, Radhika and Priyanka. And one also character Priyanka. So that's satire also. The stereotype mother also here Chetan Bhagat used that on that satire that Priyanka has a problem of a mother that from the restriction that was leads towards the manichaeal satire. So we can say that time of modernization and globalization, because of that some traditional ideas are satirized. So that also some traditional ideas satired by Chetan Bhagat in this novel. So that we see the manichaeal satire. On one example from that novel, I see the Vroom character. So that Vroom character has written an article when he was working in some magazine. So don't politician ever commit suicide. There is indirect satire on the political situation. So in this book, we also see the satire on political situation, that our nation is run by the people who don't feel anything. When Vroom has printed this article at that time, he was a question on media that don't focus on real situation of political society. So that is that also a character of Vroom. We can see the satire on the political society in India. So that manichaeal satire we see in two sides, positive and negative. The job in the call center, that satire, marriage, idea of bossism, idea of motherhood, author satire on that very numerical way that we see in the Priyanka's character. Then negative also, author talks about American people in numerical way, but in a way it's not a real satire, because in reality American people are not doing work as author present here. So then we see one literature example of manichaeal satire, that that Gulliver travels with the characteristic of. In that book, we also in 4 parts we seen the characteristic of many peoples. And the other also one example, the Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. In that book also the upper class society and slaveness. And also stillness, we can stillness that on that stillness and upper class society satire on the Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. And we see the in 4 parts different type of satire. So that I also write here in first part that are 6-inch Lilliputian satires in political. In second part also satire on human body, human talents, and human limitation. In third part satire on human intellect, human mind, science, philosophy, and mathematics. In fourth part satire on human moral shortcomings and satire on mankind. So these are my references of my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, I would like to invite the students for one question. Yeah, each.
Yes, sir. So I have a question that as we have discussed the One Night at the Call Center as a Manichaean satire, and Manichaean satire is all about the attacking the mental attitude. So how do you see this particular text is attacking the mental attitudes of the character, or they are raising the mental crisis of people? And at the end of the novel, whether the characters are able to come out from this mental crisis or not?
In this the One Night at the Call Center, we see the mental attitude means not means not in a personal problem show in the as a satire, but world viewpoint satire on that book. So that also we can say many PL satire in the One Night at the Call Center.
Okay, so who is the next to ask the question?
Yes, sir.
Bharti. Yeah,
So-
Bharti. Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir. How you can elaborate that Manichaean satire is a stereotype satire or a genre? You can explain.
In this manipulative satire means that comic satire. Most of satire on we can see in comedy type culture man. But this type of satire is used in a very comic and serious type of literature that use that many people
Okay, fine. So the next speaker is Asha. Asha, you can start your presentation now.
Yes, sir. So